Performance Tracker provides insights on your exam and quiz performance. You'll find Performance Tracker in the Exams and Quizzes section of your Study Tools menu. Your Performance Tracker has 3 separate views: Overall, QBank, and Exams. The Overall section provides broad information on your progress and scores. Activity progress is displayed, including completion over weekly and monthly time periods. The color coding used within each time period shows the type of tasks that were completed. Beneath this information, you'll also find your average QBank and exam scores across all topics, and within each individual topic as well. The QBank and Exams sections of your Performance Tracker analyze your quiz and exam performance at a deeper level. In the QBank section, you can review your quiz performance across all topics or focus on a particular topic area instead. You can also review your performance on a specific quiz by selecting the individual quiz view. Whether you're looking at your overall quiz performance or viewing a single quiz, you'll be able to view your average score, the number of questions you've answered correctly or incorrectly, the amount of questions you've answered, and the average time you've spent per question. This information is organized by topics. You can also expand each topic area as needed while you're reviewing your performance. Don't forget the Compare with Others feature you can switch on if you'd like to compare your performance with that of other candidates. The Exams section of Performance Tracker also allows you to review your performance across all exams or to focus on a specific exam instead. You'll find the same performance information that's captured in the QBank section, including the ability to compare with others. Performance Tracker makes it easy to determine where you should be focusing your studies. Don't forget to use this study tool when reviewing your quizzes and exams.